Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to silence notifications on iPhone running iOS 26. And there are two methods of doing that. You can either put your iPhone in silent mode or make it actually not go to silent mode but do not disturb mode. I'm gonna show you both of them. So let's go to the settings, sounds and haptics, and if you don't have silent mode option here, that means that your iPhone has this switch on the side. Newer iPhones don't have it, but some older ones will have it, and you can either switch it like that so it doesn't show the red. That means it's not in silent mode right now, and now it is in silent mode, so notifications will be silenced, but I'll still see them once they appear at the top. Now the other option is go to the focus mode, and this will actually not only silence the notifications so you don't hear them, but you also won't see them until you go to the notification center. So you just won't see a notification coming at the top of your screen. And in focus mode you can select any of the focus modes or create a new one. I'm gonna select do not disturb. In do not disturb you can do things like notifications. You can allow notifications or silence notifications from certain apps. So if it's set to, for example, allow notifications from, then all people will be silenced besides those that you add here. Then you can also adjust some call settings and allow repeated calls or not. Now for apps you can also do the same thing, either silence notifications from certain apps or allow notifications from certain apps, and all the other ones will be silenced. And here are a few other settings, like for example schedules. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.